This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Aretha Valentine. Extraordinary beautiful brick ranch on a large lot with some water views and manicured lawn and landscaping. This home has restored hardwood floors, updated countertops, refinished kitchen cabinets, upgraded appliances and sink. Updated bathrooms, newer light fixtures, bar with stone accents, gas fireplace on stone wall, decorative wooden beams in family room, garden, inground sprinkler, restored deck and patio, 2 years old architectural shingled roof, replacement windows, 1-year-old HVAC with warranty, 3 large storage sheds with electricity. Near interstates, Rivers Casino, community pool, rec, TCC, shopping, ball fields, and schools. For more information, review the details below.